if all of you would like to send this further, so you can actually go on my Facebook and share from my Facebook onto your Facebooks. Okay.
Okay, Archana, what I'm getting for you right now is you might be stuck in somewhere where you want to come out of some sort of situation and it's just not moving ahead. And that is because some karmic clearing is happening and some energies are still stuck up waiting to be released. So once that is done, then a lot is going to be revealed to you. A lot is going to come your way. In the terms of finances also, they're showing a good flow of income that is like, you know, it's awaiting. It's just waiting for you to open your doors to accepting that. And for that, you need to just be with yourself a little bit more. Maybe just increase if you're doing any healing work, just increase that for your own self, and that's going to sort out a lot of things. Thank you.
Sure. Thank you so much, Vinayka.
Thank
Wonderful, wonderful. Let's go to the next speaker, Richard Slook. Can you do reading for him? Richard, do you have any questions for my speaker? For beautiful Vinayka, do you have any question for her? You're muted, yeah.
Yes, it does revolve around the future here in France. I think the question is, can we stay here?
Yeah.
You know, is the question because we are not native to France.
Okay.
So it's a big thing. But I want some information on.
Richard, the long-term staying in France right now doesn't seem like a possibility, because you might find a lot of discomfort in terms energetically. So that way possible that you could shift, but at least for the next 6-8 months you're there. So post that, if something shifts, then in case you decide, you might shift, but otherwise you're there. But energetically, it's taking you time to settle in.
Okay, all right.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Let's do for Aarti Desai.
Yes.
Thank you.
Hi, Aarti. Any questions?
No questions.
Okay. So, Aarti, for you, I've got a clear indication about spirituality today, that just take it one step at a time, and just take it as a thing for self-development right now, and do whatever you can. I mean, you're doing a great job, but just do something which you're going to do for yourself. And in that, something will show itself to you, which is going to take you ahead. Thank you.
Wonderful. Can we have one reading for Divya?
Sure.
Thank you so much. Divya, do you have any question?
Something about family and relations.
Okay. Something about family and relations.
And even my career.
We can have only one thing going.
Okay, relations.
Wonderful. Could you kindly mute yourself? I really appreciate. So hello everybody on the Facebook.
Divya, for you, there's a lot going on right now in terms of relationships, and intuitively you know what is to be done. You might feel a little strain on relationships due to finances as well. So the only way that to come out of it right now is change your perspective and just see things as they are. See things from a different angle. Maybe you'll see some light in the situation. And keep chanting whatever you're doing. Keep protecting yourself. Keep protecting your family, and things will definitely improve. Thank you.
Wonderful. We have a question from Kishwar for general reading and
Okay.
from Hemal. And that's it. We won't go any further with the readings. We'll go with the pet tips after this.
Okay, Kishwar, for you, I'm getting right now is a time for abundance, a time for financial growth. So be open to receiving, and try and do some therapy, some healing where few of your blocks are there which need to be cleansed. You need to, it's just like, uh, it's just waiting to be pushed out, whatever negativity is there that you've accumulated. So just go for some sort of therapy and things will shift for you greatly. Thank you.
Wonderful. The next reading is for Hemal.
Hemal.
And we have...
Anu, I'm sorry, I didn't hear a word. The voice was trailing. If you could.
could you
I'm
repeat?
Divya.
Divya, for you, oh God, what did I say? Oh, Divya, I'm sorry. Could you listen to the recording? Because
Relations.
for you, okay, for your relations, it was about changing your perspective about how you see relations, and just work with that. Just change the way you're looking at things in your relationships, and you need to protect them. So whatever therapy you can use, just protect yourself, your family, and the relations.
Namaste. So, brilliant. Can we do for Hemal, please? Thank
Sure.
you. There are a number of people asking questions on the Facebook.
Hemal, for you, I'm getting you're at a phase right now where a lot of clearing is happening. Whatever negativity was there, it's slowly coming out. It's being cleared. So accept that, be in that phase. You need to protect yourself in this phase. So whatever you can do for self-help, any form of healing modality, please go ahead and do that. And a little meditation, a little inner work would definitely help you. Thank you.
Wonderful. We have Kamla from Canada, and she is asking question. She's saying, could you please let her know that, just a general reading for her, please. Thank you. I think she's referring to Richard Fluke. Do you write any blog, Richard? She is saying that she's been reading your blog, and there is someone also asking, maybe later in the day we can do, when we are talking on psoriasis, what does that mean?
I haven't been writing on my blog for some time, but I have been writing.
Okay.
So, yeah, a lot actually. Been writing my new book, so it's quite a lot to take on board. Yeah, a lot.
Okay, what's there for Kamla?
Kamla, right now I'm getting a lot of blocks for you, and even you're feeling a little distant from your family, which could also mean distance from yourself. You have some sort of confusion of what is happening. So the best thing for you right now is to take professional help, to get some cleansing done, get some healing sessions done for yourself. And a lot of stuff will be revealed to you, what is happening, why it's happening. So just go ahead and take some help. And family life post that is showing really good for you. A lot of brightness, a lot of good family times are showing for you. Thank you.
Wonderful. Thank you, Vinayfa. Let's go with the
Thank
next
you.
speaker.